everyone, it's Dr. Patricia Dickinson, Associate Professor of Teacher Education at National University, Stanford College of Education. We're here today to talk about a LinkedIn profile. It's really important for new teachers and teacher educators to have a social media and social network presence. LinkedIn has over 600 million users, and it is the largest social network for working professionals. In fact, there's 2 new users join LinkedIn every second. So it really is the perfect platform for us teachers to grow and to build our professional learning network. So the first step that you want to do when you're creating a professional learning network is you want to upload a picture that's professional. It shows you smiling, looking at the camera. So you just click on the round circle and you'll be able to change and edit your photo. Save your photo here. After you've done that, you want to create a really cool and catchy tagline. So you can see from my tagline, I have teacher, educator, and digital learning expert at teacherpreptech.com. So you just click on the pencil button here and you can highlight your tagline. All right. So in addition to photos, taglines are also one of the most common things that employers look at. In fact, those keywords make it easy for others to find you. Then you want to add your about section. So you just click on the pencil and you can share who you are, what you do, what makes you so special. So anything that you really want to highlight that will set you apart from other people and professionals. Finally, you can include any featured information. This is where you're going to add some evidence from your teacher education program. So you just click on the plus sign and you click on media. You can upload photos, documents, any presentations. If you've got a video of yourself teaching, anything that you've done, links to web content can be added here in your featured section. Next, you want to include your experience. So this can include things outside of education that will let people know what you've been doing for work. You can also include positions and years and dates so people can learn more about some training and things that you've done. Next, you want to include your education, the years that you've completed your work and the degrees that you've received, and your licenses and certification. Again, just clicking on the plus sign in all of these sections. If you make a mistake, you can always click on the pencil and edit. Volunteer experience is really great to include. In fact, research has shown that 41% of employers value volunteer experience as much as work. So if you've got things that you've done, you're working with kids, make sure you include that as well. If you have special skills and endorsements that you want to add, things that highlight you, languages, other things that you've done, be sure that you include that in your skills and endorsement sections. You're not required to ask or give recommendations, but if you want one, feel free to reach out to your instructors, people that you've worked with. Again, building a network, letting people know about your professionalism, things that you've accomplished, and why they should want to work with you. Additional accomplishments of things that you've done, and then any interest in groups. So remember, you can always look for groups here, groups that you're following. So here's all the groups that I'm following. And way to find groups is just click on the search. So if you want to look at groups for National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, National Geographic, you just click on it. It'll take you to the page and then you click on follow. All right, when you're ready to finish your profile, all you want to do is you go back to your home page. And then if you click on this edit button here, click on the more section. And then what you'll want to do for your first assignment is just click on save to PDF. And this will download your entire professional LinkedIn profile that you can share with your instructors for your week 1 assignment. Also, feel free to share with a URL link if you want to add your instructors. But all you need to do is just have this PDF, share, save it, and send it. Well, thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to Teacher Prep to learn more about ways to integrate technology into your practice.